Wanna know how to create a new Java home variable in your computer? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first up, you need to keep in mind that this is specifically for Windows. So what you can do is just simply select Windows plus S. This will open up the Windows search bar, and then just type in environment variables. Now, the system environment variables should pop up right here. Just simply select it. And now once you're there, here you can see environment variables. Just simply click on it. Now once you're under environment variables, right here you can see new. Just simply select new and then just type in your variable name. Now just simply browse your directory. So for that, just simply hit towards this PC, local disk C, program files, and then Java, and then select JDK18 and then select OK. And after that, simply select OK again, and there you have it. A new variable has been successfully created. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.